Hi friends, I hope you will be having the Git installed in your system. The first thing that we will be doing is how to clone a repo for the first time for a remote server to your local system. For cloning a project, we need to create a folder in which we will be cloning the project. So let's create a folder first. As you can see, a folder has been created by the name Git. Now we have to clone a project. So for cloning a project, we have to go inside this folder. To clone a project, we have to write a command git clone, and this is the URL from which you are cloning a project. Cloning starts. So as we are doing it for the first time, we have an empty repository that is there. So it's showing you appear to have cloned an empty repository. Let's see the git config to check the username. To check the git config, we will type after typing this git config -- list, you can see there are so many parameters, but there is no name and no email ID set to the particular system. Make sure your name and email ID is configured with the system. Why? Because every commit that you will be making in future will use this information, your name and your email ID. So let's see how we will configure the name and email ID. To configure the name, you will type git config -- global user.name and your name. To configure your email ID, you will be typing same command, just changing the parameter. Now let's again check the configuration list. As you can see, your name and the email ID is configured now. So whatever the commit next time you will be making, that will be having this name as Dhruv and the email ID by which it will identify who is making that commit.